Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link in Canva, the complete 2025 guide. Whether you're designing for your business, social media, or personal brand, adding a WhatsApp link makes it super easy for people to reach you directly with just one click. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva and select the text or element where you want your WhatsApp link to appear. This could be a button, a line of text like chat on WhatsApp, or even an icon. With that selected, look at the toolbar above your workspace. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. That's the More Options button. Click on it and a few extra tools will appear. Among them, look for the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Click on the link icon and Canva will open a small box where you can paste your URL. Now, here's the important part. This is where your WhatsApp link goes. To create one, use this format: https:/wa.me/your phone number. Replace your phone number with your actual WhatsApp number, including your country code, but don't use any plus signs, brackets, or spaces. For example, if your number is +12345678890, your link will look like this: https://wa.me1234567890. Once you've got your link ready, paste it into Canva's link box and hit done. And that's it. Canva will instantly turn your selected text or element into a clickable WhatsApp link. Now, whenever someone clicks it, whether it's in a PDF, presentation, or shared design, it'll open a chat with you directly on WhatsApp. Pretty cool, right? This simple trick adds instant connectivity to your designs and makes your projects look more professional and interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more quick design hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.